The best coconut breed is the Dwarf Green Coconut. This type of coconut is known for its sweet water and soft meat, making it a favorite for many people. Dwarf Green Coconuts are smaller than other breeds, which makes them easier to harvest and to transport as well. One reason why this breed is so popular is because of its taste. So the water inside is refreshing and is often enjoyed straight from the coconut. The meat is tender and it can be eaten raw or used in recipes. Many people like to use it in smoothies, desserts, and salads. So basically, Dwarf Green Coconuts grow well in warm tropical climates. They usually reach maturity quickly and producing fruit in just a few years. So this means that farmers can still sell the coconut sooner than other types. Another great feature of Dwarf Green Coconuts is that they're more resistant to diseases compared to other breeds. So this helps farmers grow healthy coconuts without as many problems. So overall, the Dwarf Green Coconut is the best breed because of the delicious taste, the quick growth, and the hardiness. It brings joy to people who enjoy it, and it brings joy to people who eat it, and it's refreshing in water, and it's tasty meat.